Okay, I need to put you guys onto this because look at my skin. I started using the Glow Theory brightening serum because my skin was looking really dull and I had these stubborn dark spots that just wouldn't go away. And after using it consistently, my skin just started looking brighter, more even, and honestly, I've tried so many products before, but what I really like about this one is how lightweight it feels. It absorbs so quickly, so my skin doesn't feel greasy or heavy afterwards. So if you've been looking for something to add to your routine for that healthy, glowing look, definitely check out Glow Theory. I'll leave the link in my bio. Go check it out.
I've been doing my research in the past few days and I realized that there are a whole lot of UGC content types that many of you do not know about. Like that one you watched is called an AI talking head UGC. And on RIRAH CREATES YouTube channel, I'm going to be teaching you multiple types of UGC content like AI testimonial, product review, unboxing, and a whole lot of them. Check out this one, Get Ready With Me UGC content, Come Shop With Me, AI product demonstration, and a lot of that. So if you want to learn how to create these different types of UGC content, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section because you're going to get multiple content that's going to help you in your AI content creation journey. So this AI talking head UGC content is just simply having a character speak to the camera like they are a real customer. Sometimes it could be like they're holding a phone and they're talking directly to the phone and they're reviewing a product, or it could be like they just set up a tripod and then they're telling you, oh, I got this product, I like this product, it worked for me, get this product, something like that. So in case you don't know what a UGC content means, it stands for user generated content, where we have individuals rather than brands talk about a product. So it gives this believability and it makes you feel, yes, if somebody got this product and it works for them, it can definitely work for me too. So let's get straight into it. So I'm still going to using ChatGPT to do this, and I'm going to just tell ChatGPT how I want my script to be. And for those of you that have been following RIRAH Creates, I taught you how to get your scripts from scratch, right? I taught you how to get your prompts from scratch. I'm going to be using that exact formula here. So ChatGPT, I need you to give me a script. Okay, well, this is what I intend to do. I want to create a talking head UGC content where we have our character talk about a particular product. I'm thinking maybe a skincare product or something, but it's going to be in a talking head style, and I don't want it to exceed 50 seconds or 45 seconds. We need a perfect hook, we need a perfect body, and then we need a perfect call to action. Maybe get the products using the link in my bio or something like that. So what script can you recommend? And I don't know, I think I should maybe have a character and what product do you think we should use for this? So this is simply me brainstorming with ChatGPT. This is how I tend to do my brainstorming sessions with ChatGPT. And I'm just going to click on the enter button, and then ChatGPT is going to give me the script. So this is it. I started using the Glow Theory brightening serum because my skin was looking really dull. So according to this script, we are going to have a hook where she begins to speak, and then we see the problem, then the product, and then the application, and then the results, and then the call to action. So for those of you that might be confused on how, because this seems like something that is going to have different clips in it, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a character description, and also a product description, and also image prompts, and then video prompts to achieve all of this, and also the character voice. Okay, so this is it. And for those of you that might be confused on how you're going to go about with the visuals, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the visuals, that's the images, and then the video prompts, and also the character description. For the voice, it's a particular voice I like using, so I'm just going to head over to that doc file and then get the voice. So we are back to ChatGPT. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do all the things I mentioned earlier. Okay, so I'm going to need a few things. I'm going to need a character description. Note I want a stunning black lady. And additionally, I would also need you to give me the image prompts for each scene and also the video prompts. Like, you gave me I think I'm going to have about 6 different scenes here. So I need the image prompts and I also need the video prompts for each of these scenes. So go on with it. So let's do this. By the way, click on the like button, subscribe to RIRAH Create, and leave a comment in the comment section. And feel free to check out my other videos. Trust me, I've got a whole lot in store for you. So ChatGPT has been doing this funny thing recently where you give it a prompt and it refuses to create your content. So I'm just going to try this again. Now, this is one thing you also need to emphasize on when you're having a conversation with AI, especially ChatGPT. Sometimes it just outrightly goes on to create the image. So I think my prompt was not descriptive enough. So I'm going to give a more descriptive prompt, and I'm going to say, I need the written prompts for each of this. So what I want is the written prompt and not the image prompt. Okay, so this is our character sheet. I'm just going to tell ChatGPT now to create the to give me a prompt for the product. So let me just get a prompt to create the product. So here is the product prompt. You're just going to copy this and then head over to Nano Banana. So on Nano Banana, I'm going to be picking one by one. Let's use 2 outputs. Then we paste the prompt and then create the product image. So the next thing we will create is the lady's image. So we'll just get it from here. So let's create the lady's image. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So all that is creating. So here is the image of the lady that we got from Nano Banana. However, there's something I also don't like. I'm going to change the product she's holding to this product. So all I'm going to do is simply click on this plus icon. I'm going to add her image and then also add the image of this product and say replace the product in her hand to the second image. So let's have that created. So now we have the character. The next thing is to start creating the character in the different images we have here. So let me go through this. So this is going to be the first, and then according to this scene here, she's going to be seated in her bedroom. All right, so the image has been created, but we didn't get the second image. So Flow does this a lot. I'm just going to add the lady's image here now. Let's see. I can delete this one so I don't get confused. So let's add this image, and I'm going to paste the image prompt I took earlier. Let's just use one output, then click on enter. So this is how I'm just going to go on to create all images. So here's the image prompt for the second image. I'm just going to copy this. I don't really like the setting though, but let me just add this to prompt and paste this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove this product from her hand so we can have the product reveal in the third scene when she's going to be revealing the product. So I'm going to say remove the product from her hand. I'm just going to go on to create all the images. I'm going to pause this video, then I'll create all the images. And when I'm done creating all the images, I'm going to come back so we animate them together. Hope that's okay. Hope you understand how I created the images, right? You can use ChatGPT. For me, ChatGPT gives the most realism, but I just decided to use Flow. But if you want to create yours, ChatGPT gives 100% realism. Okay, so I'm done creating all the images. I had to create this particular one where she's in front of the mirror thrice because it was giving me issues. So I was looking for the best one, and I think I could go with maybe this one. I could go with this, or I could go with this. But I see some form of realism here. I can see the slight pores on her skin. So this is how you create your images. So once you create your images, the next thing would be to get your video prompts and then you begin to animate them. So I'm going to just get my voice so I can stick with that consistent voice all through. So this is the voice I'm going to be using, and it specifies the accent, it specifies the rhythm, it specifies the delivery and everything. You know how to use characters to get lock in a voice, right? I don't want to go through that process of locking in the voice using characters. So I'm just going to use this style. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and leave a comment in the comment section, and feel free to share these videos with others. And please feel free to share this video with as many people as you can share them with. Just copy the link and share it with them. So here is the video prompt. So just paste this here. So I'm going to be using OmniFlash to create the video. And you know OmniFlash has different video durations. You've got 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and then 10 seconds. seconds. So because this doesn't seem like a long sentence, I'm just going to use 4 seconds. I think that should go into 4 seconds, or let's just use 6 seconds. Then I'm going to copy this now. Then click on this plus icon, and I'm going to add the first scene where we have the woman. That's this part, add to prompt. Then I'm going to paste this, and now this prompt already contains the actions, her mannerisms, and everything. So we click on enter, and this is exactly what I'm going to be doing for all scenes. So that's this is scene 1. So let me check out scene 2 now. So for scene 2, she is okay. She's going to be touching her face. The product is not in view yet. I can still use this one for scene 2. So if you want to reuse a prompt, all you have to do is click on this icon, and then you can reuse the prompt. So the only thing I'm going to be changing now is I'm going to now change the video prompts. Her voice prompt remains the same, and then I'm going to be changing the video duration too. So head back here and then copy these video prompts. This is what she says. Now this seems like something that is going to take 10 seconds. So I'm going to increase that from 6 seconds to 10 seconds. Even 8 seconds could do for this. But in the meantime, let me play this video and see what we have here.
Okay, I need to put you guys onto this because look at my skin.
Okay, 4 seconds was okay. It went perfect. So let's create the next. So the tone still remains the same, right? We just need to change what she would say and how she's going to say it. So I'm still thinking, I don't know if I should use 8 seconds or... Okay, let me just use 8 seconds because I want the pacing to remain the same. So we're going to click on enter. And this is exactly how I'm going to go on to create all video scenes. Hope you understand what I did here. So I'm going to pause this video and create all scenes for the video. So once I'm done, I'm going to get back to you. Please like this video before I return. Alright, so I'm back and I've created all the clips I'm going to be needing for the video. And what I did afterwards was download the clips and then I joined them together on CapCut. And that's exactly how you came across that video you saw from the beginning. So hope you've liked this video and hope you subscribe to my channel. If you've not done that, please do and leave a comment on RIRAH CREATES YouTube channel. And by the way, I have a paid class that's coming up for those of you that have been enjoying my series of educational content on YouTube. You're definitely going to like this. So this is AI Content Lab, and it's going to be starting on the 25th of August 2026. The price is 20,000 naira. Besides the class, you're also going to be having access to 7 different ebooks that I've created based on my AI content creation journey. And these books have helped others gain expertise as AI content creators, and it's also going to be helping you do the same. So I'm going to be adding the link to the description. Feel free to pay. It doesn't matter the country you're in. You're in Nigeria, you're outside Nigeria, feel free to pay for this class. In fact, you've been watching my YouTube videos, look at the value it brings to the table, then imagine what you're going to be getting in a paid class. I can't wait to see you in class. I really cannot wait to see you. So this is exactly how you can create a talking head AI video. And I'm going to be teaching you different UGC styles. So feel free to like this video. It's free to like and it's free to subscribe. It's also free to leave a comment in the comment section. And it's also free for you to copy the link and then share it with others. I'd really, really appreciate it if you do that for me. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye-bye.